Alright, so we're going to keep on going here. Setting it up to break every damn thing on this old bastard. It ain't going to be worth a shit by the time I'm done with it. Yeah! Like to break shit. Fun! Ah! This one doesn't want to cooperate. God! One down, 3 to go. One day I'm going to put my damn eye out because I don't know how to wear my safety glasses. Like somebody who's got some damn sense. This son of a bitch is going to pay! I don't want to get rough with it. Because it's freaking plastic from freaking the 20th century. Oh. I'm gonna make this shit happen. I don't care. I don't care what it takes. I don't care what it takes. Alright, matey. We're gonna swap the deck. Oh! Found a secret. Now, here you go. You want to take this clip off? Pop it out from the bottom. Don't try to be a hero and do it from the top and bust your oil thingy. People won't be talking shit about that. You don't know what you're doing. Well, that's why you blow goats. You're a goat blower. Is everything on this sucker just stuck? Oh, damn. Serpent. It's like really runny too. Let's see if we... Yeah, here we go. Check out that honey. Bug honey. It's like Charles sneezed in this. Hey, you know what? Alabama don't like you. Oh, Charles has made a cameo by me. You're welcome. I ain't paying you, though. Okay. 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 I don't even know. Is that... broken shit! Where's that? That's made in, okay. Give up the ghost! God. When in doubt, just kick its ass. Looks like we're doing this by hand today. There you go. There you go. What's bad is this is pretty rough shape. But we're gonna get it fired up. McCulloch Chapter again. This thing has seen better days. Lord. So, yeah, we're going to have to do, I'm going to have to get a better cleaning situation here for this, because this sucker is covered, smothered and covered. I'm going to need an ultrasonic cleaner to get this thing completely. This shit needs to be an ultrasonic cleaner. But we got a new one of these coming. Piston looks in pretty good shape, so I think I need to clean it up and get this, all that carbon. So that's going to do it for this episode of Broken Clutch. Hope you're enjoying this McCulloch build as much as I am not. So we got it down to this, and we're going to keep on working at it. That's the only thing we can do. Keep on working at it, and we got parts coming. So I think it'll fire up. I think it'll be a nice little saw to have around. So remember, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff.